Hello, little learners. Are you ready for a meowgical letter adventure? Let's start with our super special vowels. A says ah like apple, and A says A like acorn. E says eh like elephant, and E says E like eagle. I says like insect, and I says I like ice cream. O says like octopus, and O says O like open. U says like umbrella, and U says U like unicorn. A, E, I, O, U, 2 sounds each. That's what they do. Wonderful job, vowel explorers. Now let's travel through all the letters to learn the sounds that they make. Are you ready? Let's sing together. A is for apple, ah, ah, ah. A for ape, A. B is for ball, b, b, b. C is for cat, k, k, k. C for circle, s, s, s. D is for dog, d, d, d. E is for elephant, eh. Long E in eagle, E, E, E. F is for fish, f, f, f. G for goat, g, g, g. G for giraffe, j, j, j. H is for hat, h, h, h. I is for igloo, I. I for ice, I. J is for jump, j, j, jump. K is for kite, k, k, kite. L is for lion, M is for moon, N is for nest, nest. O is for octopus, ah. Long sound of O, open, O. P for pig, p, pig. Q is for queen, qu, queen. R is for rainbow, S is for sun, s, s, s. T is for turtle, t, t, t. U is for umbrella, Long sound U, unicorn, U. V is for violin, v. W is for whale, w. X is for xylophone, x, x, x. Y for yo-yo, y. Z is for striped zebra, z. Fantastic job, superstars! You've practiced all your alphabet sounds from A to Z. Keep practicing every day, and you'll become an amazing reader. Thanks for learning with me.